Good morning, viewers. Very good morning. Today I am going to explain what we can learn from wind and waterfalls. So first let me explain about wind. So how the wind in during cyclones and tsunamis, how it shakes the whole world. Like that, being human beings, we can shake the world with great deeds and with great achievements in our life, like Wright brothers and so many other scientists, how they have done great achievements to the world. So, what we have learned from wind to be doing good deeds and how to achieve great achievements. So that we have learned from the wind. Now next, what we can learn from waterfalls. So waterfalls, it's straight looking forward to reach the goal. They don't spill here and there, straight it comes and reaches the goal. So like that, being human beings, we should learn how to reach our goal successfully without seeing here and there, with commitment, with hard working, and we have to reach our goal with great successfully. So like that, we are learning from wind how to achieve great achievements and what we have learned from waterfalls to reach the goal successfully with commitment. So if you do these things, if you learn these lessons from waterfalls, you can achieve great achievements and you can be successfully reach the goal like waterfalls. So be following that and listen to that and learn lessons and make yourself successful in reaching the goal and receive great achievements in this world. So but don't forget to listen to my video, like it and subscribe it. Have a good day.